here we are underneath the sink. I think this is, for some people, their least favorite place to be. But this is a video on how to put in a water filter for your kitchen sink. And the purpose of this is, let's say you want to have filtered water, but you don't have a lot of room underneath. Maybe you're renting, maybe you don't want to have, big setup in your garage. You just want something simple and pretty cheap. And this is the solution that I found has been excellent. It simply connects to your cold water source underneath your sink. And then anytime you turn the cold water on up at the tap, you have filtered water. The downside, of course, is that, if you're washing your hands or dishes or whatever, you may be using your filter, but that's probably not such a big deal. This little unit's great because it mounts just to the wall there, and then it comes with, here, let's move this out of the way. It comes with this little valve there. Let's see. Yep, little valve there above the on-off, and that simply connects up to the water filter and then back up to your main line, and you can see the main line's attached just above it to the cold water, and that's it. The installation does not take that long at all, and the nice part is you've got these little quick disconnect things here, so you can just pop this filter off and then screw on the new filter. So if you're doing this install, you pretty much need a adjustable wrench to get the fittings loose, bucket for some water, a screwdriver or a drill to mount the little bracket. And then I really recommend this, which is great for cutting the hoses nice and flat, because you just put the hose in there and you cut it, and that makes a really nice connection. So I do recommend that. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the water off here, and we're going to replace this live, I guess. I've never done it before, so we're going to find out how that goes. So let's put this kind of right here. Reach up. We'll turn our water supply off. That's off. Okay. Put that down there. We'll see if that helps. And I believe just turn to the unlock like that. There we go. Coming out. And then comes the fresh one in. That's it. How cool is that, right? And then turn the water back on. Let's see. There we go. All full. You can hear it filling up. No leaks, no problems. Get the air out of it. There we go. Done. That was amazing. That was like 2 seconds. So I continue to highly recommend this. The water comes out of it is great. And yeah, it's a cheap and easy solution to having filtered water out of your tap. Have a great day.